Have you ever been bothered by swirls in your car's paint and you wondered how you could get rid of them and never have them come back without ever touching a polisher? I'm gonna show you. All right, this hood is completely swirled up and I'm gonna show you how we're gonna get rid of swirls and never have them come back. Now we know PPF has rock chip protection, but it also fills in existing swirls in the paint, and that's because the adhesive fills in all the swirls and you're left with the gloss finish. So I'm gonna show you on this hood. All right, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna install this small square of PPF on top of this swirled hood, and then I'm gonna show you the after product, and you're gonna see how this doesn't have swirls, but there's still swirls everywhere else. All right, you can see on this hood in the square, and it's still partially drying, but you can see in this square here, and these deep scratches right here, where they disappear right under, so it does some level of deep scratch will be hidden by this. Once you get too deep, of course it won't be, but minor swirls, medium scratches, hidden by the adhesive in the clear bra. Okay, so you can see on this demonstration hood where I put clear bra PPF on it, and I swirled it up with a bristled brush. And I got the same heat gun here at the same temp setting, and I'm gonna show you that it's a self-healing, it's got self-healing properties, and what that means is with the heat, these scratches are by and large going to come out. Now, while I'm doing this, I'll mention, is it possible for some scratches to be too deep? And the answer to that question is yes. At some point, you'll scratch it, just like with the screwdriver, I'll penetrate the surface at some point. But you should be able to see where I've applied heat. Now, if you're in Texas, this is 30 seconds in the sun, if that. So if you're ready to be swirl free, give us a call.